Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell with Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today's tidbit is let's call it an interesting open house story. As a new agent, how many of you have been just desperate to find business, willing to do open houses anywhere and everywhere you possibly can, right? Calling all your successful agents, hey, you got a listing? Can I hold it open? Can I do anything? Please, let me know. What can I do? And at Prudential, I think this was back in like 2009 or so, we had just gotten a deal with an asset management company. And for most of us agents in the office, we're like, yes, this is a wonderful opportunity, right? So they reached out to all of us saying, hey, we're going to hold this massive open house event for all of these homes. Who wants to sit these? There was a bunch of homes, right? So I was like, heck yeah, call me, I'll do it. So they assigned me my home, and like the great eager new agent I was, I show up very early, dressed up, ready to go, put out all my signs. When I actually open up the house, there's no power or anything. It was a bank-owned home, and I go to open up all the windows. Pleasantly surprised. It was great. I open it up and like the carpet's in decent shape. Go into the kitchen. There's cabinets, countertops, everything. It's like, wow, for a bank-owned home, this is pretty darn good. The paint wasn't horrible. It's like neat. Go upstairs, open up the windows, the blinds, and I look out to the west side of the house. Across the street is a huge cemetery. All of the west-facing windows have a wonderful view of thousands of tombstones. It's like, okay, well, this is gonna be fun. So, go back downstairs, put up my table in the living room because there was no lights or anything. So I had to open up the door, put it right next to the window, sit right there, hope for the best. The great news was, because this was a massive event put on by Prudential, we had a great turnout. But I'm telling you, it was one of the funniest open houses I ever had. Because when you drive up, you see this massive fence on the right-hand side. You would never think, is that a cemetery next door? You wouldn't think it, right? So this house is right on the corner. So you park and you come inside, and literally every single person, hey, this isn't bad. It's a really good deal. Hey, the carpet's in good shape. I really like this kitchen. And then we proceed to go upstairs, show them the master bedroom. They're like, hey, this is really big. This is nice. We like it. And then they look out the window and see that cemetery, and then instantly attitudes change. It was so funny. I probably had 30 people through minimum. It was a great open house, but every single one of them, oh, this is great. Oh, that's a cemetery. 2 were done. Next. Unfortunately, I did my best. Did not sell that home that day, but I did take a lot of clients from it. So overall, was definitely a success. But how many of you guys have done an open house directly across the street from a cemetery or something interesting or crazy? If you have, please either share it below or please let me know, message me, and I would love to feature you on one of our tidbits coming up. Have a great day. Anybody that had a listing? Well, luckily enough, sounds like a car is dragging some stuff.